Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. There are 3 main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and import file or URL. Today we'll explore how to import content directly from the web and transform it into stunning visual experiences. Let's dive into it. Getting started. From the Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI, then select Import File or URL. For this tutorial, we'll focus on importing content from a website URL. Click on Import from URL and paste the link to the web page you want to transform. After entering your URL, choose what you want to create: a presentation, website, document, or social media post. Gamma works with news articles, blog posts, research papers, and virtually any web content with text. Depending on the format you select, you'll see different aspect ratio options. For this example, let's transform a news article into a presentation using a traditional 16:9 format. Once you've selected your preferences, click Continue to move to the content customization options, drafting your content. Gamma automatically extracts and organizes content from the web page, filtering out navigation elements, advertisements, and other non-essential content. Use the prompt editor to control how your content takes shape. Select Freeform for automatic distribution or card by card for manual control. Choose the number of cards. Keep content as is, condense it, or expand it with AI. Customize audience and tone to perfect your message. Additionally, Gamma can automatically enhance your content with web images or AI-generated illustrations that perfectly match your presentation, bringing your imported content to life. Selecting a theme. Gamma not only extracts the content for you, but also ensures it looks stunning. Choose from a variety of professionally designed themes to make your content visually impressive in seconds. If you want to maintain your brand identity, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Once you've selected the perfect theme, click Generate and watch as the web content transforms into a stellar presentation. Editing with AI. Your creative journey doesn't end after generation. Add depth with text blocks, images, videos, charts, and interactive elements. Make changes instantly with Gamma's AI. Click Edit with AI and tell the AI what you need. Adjust text, change layouts, or add new elements. Need a section more concise? Want a different tone? Looking to add a chart? Just ask the AI. Import, enhance, customize. Truly that easy. Sharing and exporting. When your Gamma is ready to share, you have multiple options. Present directly from Gamma with interactive features and presenter notes. Share via link so anyone can view your content, even without a Gamma account. Export in various formats: PDFs for offline viewing, PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing, PNG images for social media, and post directly on LinkedIn. For websites, publish directly to the web with optional custom domain support. Gamma transforms any web content you can access into beautiful, engaging presentations in a flash. Perfect for turning news articles into briefings, research papers into presentations, blog posts into social media content, and online resources into interactive experiences. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.